Hi, this is Ken, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his Honda.
Yep, this is a 1970 Honda N600. I restored this car to correct Concours factory specs. It's got just about every factory option you can imagine on it, with the exception of a roof rack. It's a 2-cylinder air-cooled 600 cc's overhead cam.
It's an overhead cam. I'm surprised in those days they had that. That's amazing. You know how many horsepower it has?
It makes 36 horsepower.
Oh my gosh. Is it how many speed is the transmission?
4-speed transmission.
It is 4-speed.
Has factory option clock, factory option radio, factory option shift console, dealer option steering wheel, factory option floor mats.
Let me ask you another question. Where did you find it?
This is what I do for a living, is I restore these cars.
Okay.
So this is one I've had. And the fun fact about this car is we got Hot Wheels to make a Hot
Oh, that's
Wheel.
awesome. Thank you. And originally it was $13.95 new. It's absolutely amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Well, I really appreciate it, Ken. Thank you. 1970 N600 Datsun 2-cylinder coupe. Original window sticker was $1,395.
Hey, turn around. I don't see you. Just turn. You see those balloons? Yeah, I see the balloons.